Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to promote products and services with YouTube clips. Let's get started. Your product video shows your target buyers how the product is used and the benefits of using your product. Product videos can last for more than a minute to show a demonstration of the product. Videos showing your services can help create awareness for potential clients. You can use YouTube clips to highlight a section of your products and services. First, show a sneak peek. A teaser video will create curiosity among your viewers. They will have the urge to watch more of your video. If you share a 5 to 60-second video clip, it might cover a few sections of your product promotion. Your teaser video can cut your video shorter. You can use this when you are in the early stages of releasing your product to the public. It can also be used for promoting an upcoming event. If your business is organizing events, you can showcase a previous video of a successful event. It can attract clients to avail of your services since they have seen a video of your previous events that your business has organized. Next, show a quick demonstration of your product. If you have long product video demonstrations about your product, you can create a highlight of that video demonstration. You can show a portion of your product demonstration, such as what your product does. You can build a hype as you show a demonstration of your video as short as 60 seconds. You can showcase a short clip showing your product is used by a customer. Your potential buyers will get a glimpse and visualize what the product looks like when they use it. Next, testimonial videos. Your customers can share videos regarding how they liked your product or services, or it shows how your product helped your customers. You can create a video clip from that video review. Choose the section where they show and discuss the positive aspects of the product after they have tried using your product. This type of video will help you attract more buyers as they have seen customers who are satisfied with your product. Also, your visitors can be converted into buyers. This shows your target market that your product works and people have already tried and tested it. Next, show behind-the-scenes video. If your business offers services, you can show how your staff is working hard to provide excellent service to your customers. Create a YouTube clip showing the behind-the-scene actions of your business, and it can allow your customers to see your video on a personal level. This attracts more people to choose your service over your competitors. Your product videos show a story to your viewers. It can develop a desire for your viewers to get and purchase your products in their subconscious minds. If you create YouTube clips from your product videos, you can highlight an important portion of your product that will excite your viewers to purchase your product. It can create an impression of making your product look irresistible. They can easily view your 60-second video clip, and if they want to know more about the product, they can click Watch Full Video to watch the entire product video. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Page Targeter, you can get the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List to Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With Rol Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.